Andy, you want to make some bubble tea? So I've been watching a lot of bubble tea videos on YouTube and I kind of want to try it.
Was I supposed to say yes?
Let's do it anyways.
Hey guys, today we're making bubble tea.
Yeah.
No.
Hey guys, today we're making bubble tea from scratch following Nino's home tapioca pearls and bubble tea recipe to make some bubble tea from scratch.
Gotta make the noise.
I'm a little confused. Yeah, exactly.
How do you open this?
Oh! What did you do?
Don't open.
Oh, it did. Something's pouring out. I don't like the way brown sugar smells.
Really, I like it.
Really?
You don't like brown sugar milk tea?
I do. I just don't like the way brown sugar in its raw state like this smells. Like, you can't smell that from the bag.
I like it.
Oh! Wow!
It's
It's 10. Okay. And now we need 60 grams of black sugar, which should fit in this cup because...
calling it black sugar.
It's because this is black sugar on here. I'm getting confused.
I like shook, even though it's not like I can't put it back.
Should we just start boiling the tea? Because that'll probably take a while.
How does that work?
You don't know how to boil water?
This one. Because I did the pattern. Step 5, wash your hands.
I was watching this one YouTuber that had like 15 million subscribers make boba, and I was like so into it, right?
Yeah.
And towards the end, when I thought it was almost done, it was that guy who always like throws all his shit on the ground and like, you know what I mean? But he like was like doing the bubble tea making like with the subtitles and directions and everything, and I was like, okay. And then I see. Okay guys, so today we're gonna be making bubble tea. Said it. Stop.
First of all, tapioca. Take the 125 grams of tapioca stuff. There's a bigger one there. Do you want to use that one or do you want to use... Let's use this one.
Okay.
Okay, so we put in this.
The 125 grams.
Yep.
Throw her in.
Wait, let me take this out. Okay. Whoa! Looks like an avalanche.
Turn all of it. Lol.
Okay, we're done.
And now the cocoa.
Do this one.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna slip out of my hands. Now what?
Now I whisk it together. Wait, we need a saucepan. So we need to boil it. Like, she's hot. Like, how big? Like what do you use for ramen? Did that? $60 grams of brown sugar into the pot.
Which one's the 60? This one?
And then, yeah.
Now what? That's it.
Let's see.
Gotta get the angle like him. Move on and cook. Put 6. What is that?
5 grams of this, 5 grams of tapioca syrup. So let's just have room for error.
Right here. And you mix it?
Yeah, just a little bit. It literally looks like shit.
All right, now what?
Now we boil this until it gets like starchy.
But he says turn off the gas, and then he says not to turn it off again. And I'm like, what?
No, you turn it off because they add in the flour and then
You turn it back
cool
on?
it down. No, to cool it down, and then they like throw it on the countertop to knead it.
It says take a time. It says don't turn off the stove.
Don't turn on the stove.
Oh.
Okay. There's like this one chunk I can't get rid of. Is she a rock? Yeah. What is that?
It's just hard brown sugar.
Oh, okay.
Relax.
Well, I guess it would have gone away if we boiled it. What?
You want me to put it back?
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Okay, let's go.
To the stove top.
What do we need? I'm joking.
Okay. Should I turn her off?
Turn on the light.
You want to switch sides? This is actually a lot easier than I thought.
Just wait till we try it first.
Did we put the wrong one in? I'm so scared. No, this is it. We do this, and then we add that in over here, and then we mix it till it turns into a dough, and then we knead it, and then we roll it out and cut it into like little balls. Yeah.
Then what?
And then we do the tea, and that's it. So while Danny does the tapioca pearls, I'll just be here chilling, eating some watermelon. Every time. Whenever Danny comes over to my house, the first thing she asks is, "Do you have watermelon?" And then when she leaves, we never have watermelon anymore.
Now what?
I'm scared. It's like pulling off the edges. Woo!
You don't know how hard it is, okay?
I didn't say anything.
How does this look?
Like this.
Let's watch the video.
I love how our good camera is just like us. I'm gonna turn around. I guess so. Woo! Water? Or should we use this? How hot is it?
No.
I'm gonna eat it by hand.
I'm disrespecting her.
How?
You're being disrespectful to her. She needs to be handled with care, not smushed with a spatula.
Then you handle her with care.
I don't want to. She's too hot. Oh, it's not bad. It's like touching a hot
But
rock.
look, when you like look at this one, his is so smooth.
Why does she feel like she's getting more and more dry?
Oh, it's crumbly.
What am I supposed to do? You want to do it?
No. You need more water. It's just so
It feels
dry.
like clay.
I don't know if this is a fail, but our tapioca is supposed to look a lot more moisturized than this. I don't know what to do. Did you taste it?
No.
It just got stuck in my teeth.
I don't know about you.
This looks like my dog crap. I think she just needs like water. Wow, they made it look so easy. I literally did the exact measurements. This is literally crumbling in my hands. There's nothing we can do. Should we start over? Okay. You're gonna make a face. I already know you're gonna make a face. She's ugly.
Did you charge your camera?
No.
Take two because. Ow! That actually hurt. I can't do it.
Take two because Danny messed this up.
No, I think we left it in there too long.
We?
You were like
you.
Can I scrape the edges?
Well, I'm gonna scrape the edges because you're just doing whatever's in the middle of the pot.
Okay, this is the last time because we have no more tapioca flour.
I hope this is like a good recipe for tapioca.
Good recipe, bad chefs.
Who are you calling a bad chef?
Bad baristas?
Take the plural out of it, honey. I'm good. Bad barista. Bad chef. Oh no, when I take a moment to
I don't want to hear it.
It's typically this much.
That's disgusting. My dog is like this much.
And then it's like he walks while he moves, so I have to follow the trail he left.
That's disgusting. We're so screwed. It's not even funny.
If it is, let's just go get some boba.
You did this. Was it good? Child-proof, like. What did you even do?
Oh, guys with us this time. Maybe
you need to plug her in. She's dying. We're back to step one. We're back to step one. Gosh. Alright, now what did we learn? We mix it, we pop it in. Watch the video again just to make sure.
Why? Wait, no, I already saw it like 10 times. He only has like 5 steps.
Okay, you mix. I'm gonna look at the video.
Okay, that's fine with me. God, she's so petty sometimes. You make one mistake. I hope this turns out well this time because I don't even know what we're gonna do if this one doesn't work. Zach, look at our first tapioca thing. It's not supposed to look like that.
I thought that was meat. It smells like tapioca.
Are you gonna have some of it? Why are you laughing?
That gives me stomach aches.
Why?
I don't know, I
Are you
get worse
lactose?
stomach aches from bubble tea.
I think
Worse
you're
than-
making that up.
I'm not making that up.
It's just sugar.
I barely eat ice cream too.
What does that have to do with bubble tea?
They both have milk.
So you're lactose, that's the problem.
Yeah. What does that one look like?
Like, more.
Ew.
She's bubbling, she's bubbling.
You need to try this.
I did. It tastes nasty.
It actually tastes really bad.
Mix faster! I'm just kidding.
They made like Play-Doh.
I don't have a feeling we're gonna end up getting bubble tea.
I had a feeling this was gonna work this time. How about some optimism? It's like too hot. He's good.
So what was the new game plan?
No, we just did the exact same. I'm gonna go pee real quick.
You leave me with this job?
Is that how you took it?
Esther, I really don't think this is gonna work.
Is tapioca supposed to be brown?
Yeah.
It looks really wet though, tapioca.
This one's even worse.
Oh my god.
She's trying to.
Wait, I don't understand.
She's even drier than that one.
Oh my, why though? I don't understand.
Can I touch it?
No.
You didn't wash your hands. You were playing with that coming from wherever you were.
He's like with it, like we're not gonna use it.
Are you? Just use this?
It's supposed to be stretchy, Esther. It's like.
Something's wrong with this recipe.
Why are you in front of the camera?
Yeah.
I can't use any of the footage. Esther, I'm done.
Now can I touch it?
No. No.
It's like Monday's meat dinner. Oh, it's so
Esther, I'm gonna show you our dog food, and you're gonna think it looks exactly like it.
Can we just go get some bubble tea?
Yeah. All right, guys, we failed. We're gonna get some bubble tea.
I'll be right
Let's go.
I'll be right back. Zach, go get the camera. Film this. Show them my tapioca pearls. Zach, stop blocking the camera. Look at my tapioca pearls, you guys. So I can't get to that rolling step because I don't think our dough can handle it. But it works when you just like try to break it off because it's so dry, you know? So let's
Just add more water.
look. Let's see what happens.
This
when
is
I
what
try
happens
to
when
roll
you
it.
try to roll it.
Oh shoot!
All right, we made a mess. Zach made this.
Pretty good.
Nino's home. Please give us some advice because we've tried to follow your recipe 2 times. I don't know what we did wrong. Every single time it just gets drier
Just
and
use
drier.
that.
Not after you touched
Zach,
it.
literally, you've touched every single piece of
This
this.
feels like soil.
It's so much drier now. It's so much drier.
Look at that texture.
We've tried adding water to this. There's just no helping this.
Oh my god, feel it.
Oh,
It actually feels
what
like
if,
the earth.
What if instead we weren't supposed to put the whole thing in, but we were supposed to put in little bits of flour at a time? Anyways,
he did it
we
with
don't
like
have
a
any-
mask on. He couldn't even see.
He has eyeballs!
We have 2 pairs of eyes, and we still messed it up both times. Okay, no, let's clean up. We have to clean up or my mom will shoot me.
Hi guys, thanks for watching this week's video. Even though we totally failed at making this bubble tea recipe today, check out our last week's video because we still have a giveaway going until the end of today. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of Danny and Esther.